Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix Google voice typing if you are facing this issue. When you just click on it, if you are saying something and it written something another, then how you can fix these problem in your POCO smartphone. Let's fix. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, and here you have to click on apps. Here it is, click on it, click on see all apps, and here you have to write Google, and you can see here it is Google Gboard. You have to click on it first, clear the cache from here, storage, then clear data, and give all the permissions like microphone, camera, contacts, photos and videos. You have to give all the permissions, then press back. Here you have to write system and clear the system cache also, like this, and your problem will be solved. You can see when you just tap on your microphone, it is speaking. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.